Welcome to the final exam, question number 14. And the question is, during the construction documents phase of a project, it is determined that the calculated deflection of a steel beam is excessive. Which of the following is the best way to remedy this situation? And like I've done in the past, just going to get rid of the ones I know for sure are incorrect. And A says modify the deflection limitation. And I'm going to go with maybe on this because you could modify the deflection limitation by you could possibly change the materials you're using, and therefore that would change the modify the deflection limitation. Probably not, but I'm going to put a maybe. Probably not. All right, so that's probably not the answer, but I don't want to cancel it out. That's a last-ditch effort. If I know these are all wrong, then we'll say, oh, okay, that's all right. But that's probably no. B, use a beam with a greater section modulus. And you know what? That's another one. It's probably more likely than this, and that's maybe. A larger section modulus is going to give you a larger I, which most of these equations, if you go look at the equation for deflection of a beam for a uniform distributed load is 5WL 4 over 384 EI, I believe. So in theory, if you have a higher S, you should have a higher I. So that's not the exact answer, but you could justify B, so that's a maybe. And it's definitely more correct than I would say A would be, but probably not the right answer. So we'll go on to C. Use a beam with a higher yield strength. And yield strength, remember, it's Fy equals, it's 36 or 50 typically. Oh, cool. Liam's showing me some of his big brother's toys. You showing me some of Jed's toys? All right. Anyways, sorry about that. The yield strength has nothing to do with this equation, so therefore that's a definite no. Let's go with D. It says use a beam with a greater moment of inertia. And greater moment of inertia, if you remember, moment of inertia is this right here, I. And if this goes up, this will go down, since I guess they're inversely related. So if you want to get your deflection down, you will get a higher moment of inertia. That is the correct answer. Hope that makes sense. I will see you on question number 15.